Hello everyone, welcome to Networkers Home Job Fair. Yeah, hi Nandesh. Yeah, how was your interview?
Yeah, it was very well and good.
Okay, what kind of questions they have asked?
So I'm from a cybersecurity background. So they started from basic questions as well, from the CCNA to the advanced fallout of firewall and the SOC team. So everything from configure of the router switches to fallout of firewall and how the logs should be forwarded to the Splunk.
Hi Mohammed.
Hello.
Yeah, how was your interview?
So it was great experience.
Okay, what kind of questions and
So
topics?
they asked very easy questions like OSI models about and some switching parts also like VLANs, how to create VLANs and how to communicate between the VLANs like that, and also they asked some questions based on the router and about the TCP UDP models.
Hi Abdul Jalil. Were this panel asking more of theoretical questions or more of scenario based questions?
It's like what is ARP, what is router, and they ask like just basic commands. How will you configure trunk port and how will you configure the DHCP? These are the things they ask, and a little bit firewall security modules also they ask.
Yeah, hi Saurabh.
Hi,
Yeah, how was your interview?
it was good.
Okay, what are the topics they have asked in the interview?
Actually, first day starting from your basics of your CCNA. So in CCNA they are asking about your TCP IP headers, and after that they move to your CCNP module. In CCNP module they are asking from your switching. So in switching from the switching and they are asking about how HTTP will be work, and they are also asking from the I think VLAN topics. In VLAN topic they are asking from some scenario based questions. It's easy to medium level.
Yeah, hi Ajay Kumar.
Hi,
Okay, how was your interview?
it's good.
Okay, what kind of questions they have asked?
Switching protocols. What is the models of switching you using in configuration purpose and routing?
Yeah, hi Bal Kumar. Okay, what kind of questions they have asked?
They mainly focusly ask on practical questions, how our practical knowledge is and how we are good in practical knowledge. They usually give some configurations, topologies, and use it to write how you can enable that source to destinations, how you can enable that commands with the help of switch and router, having a better and good experience in that interview.
Hi Josh.
Hi,
How was the interview?
it was good.
What topics did they cover in your interview?
So basically, they covered the CCNA topics and most of the attacks. In CCNA, they've covered the VLANs and inter-VLAN routing.
Okay. And what about the cybersecurity part? What did they cover?
They covered like the attacks, how it's done, and how to prevent them.
Hi Nitin.
Yes.
Yeah, how was your interview?
Yeah, it's really too good. I go for interview as a cybersecurity student. They are very kind. HR is there, and for the technical round also there. First, they was ask only for the introductions, and after introductions, they ask specifications like from the your cybersecurity background or also from the networking.
Hi Praveen.
Hi.
How was your interview?
My interview is nice today.
And what were the topics covered in this interview today?
Today he asked about the VPN and switching, STP, and how to configure a switch in a router. So how to create a tunnel VPN, that type of question.
Okay, is this your first interview?
No, yesterday I had given 2 interviews before.
I feel some nervous because it's my second interview.
Third one.
This is the third one. Okay,
Yes,
is this your first interview?
Third interview.
Is this your first interview?
No, this is my third interview.
I have given 3 interviews in 2 days.
Oh, okay, how is your overall experience about this?
Overall experience was nice. I am hoping I'll get selected.
Okay, is it these questions are tricky one or difficult?
Yeah, actually there are, I think 1-2 questions they are asked from the scenario based.
Then how is your overall experience?
Overall space is good.
Did you face any difficulty or challenges during the interview?
No, I have already attended 2 interviews. Now I am a little bit more confident about how to face that interviews. I done this interview very well.
Then how is your overall experience?
Overall experience is very good. I'm getting some real world and practical experience how the companies are recruiting the freshers and how they are expecting knowledge from us and how we have to enhance knowledge according to their JDs.
Did you appear for any other interview before this?
Yes, yesterday I appeared for 2 interviews.
Depending on the VPN and the basic of CCNA and how configure a router switch, that type of question will be asked.
Okay. Okay, how is your overall experience?
They are asking cross questions from the what I am saying and then starting from there.
Okay. Then how would you rate yourself out of
I
10?
would like to rate out 7.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's about 5.
I rate myself about 8.
8 to 9.
Around 7 to 8.
10, I will rate around 8.
Thank you and all the best for your result.
Thank you.